Acorns Robo-advisor for Investing Honest Review. Watch before using. Acorns is a micro-investing robo-advisor designed for beginners who want a hands-off approach to investing. It rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it automatically, making it ideal for those who struggle to save or don't want to actively manage their portfolio. Acorns offers 5 diversified ETF portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive, all managed by experts. The platform also includes features like recurring investments, retirement accounts, Acorns Later, a checking account, Acorns Spend, and cashback rewards from partnered brands. Fees start at $3 per month, which can be high for small balances. The app is simple, but customization is limited. You can't pick individual stocks. Performance aligns with standard market returns, but high fees relative to assets can eat into profits over time. Acorns is best for hands-off investors looking for automated, small-scale investing. But if you have more to invest, lower fee alternatives like M1 Finance or Vanguard may be better. If you're looking for full control over your portfolio or lower costs, Acorns might not be the right fit.